Hey there, fellow wanderers. Welcome to a new way of exploring the world. Ever dreamed of traveling without lugging around heavy bags? Imagine the freedom of moving effortlessly from one place to another. What if I told you, you could explore the world with just the clothes on your back? Yes, it's entirely possible and incredibly liberating. Yep, it's possible, and today, I'm going to show you how to travel light and free, no luggage needed. This approach not only saves you time, but also reduces stress. First things first, let's talk about the essentials. The key is to focus on what you truly need. You don't need a lot to have an amazing adventure. In fact, less is often more when it comes to travel. It's all about smart choices. Wear multifunctional clothes. These are items that can serve multiple purposes. Think shirts that can be dressed up or down, and pants that are comfy for day trips but stylish enough for a night out. Next up, toiletries. This is where many travelers overpack. Instead of bulky bottles, go for solid alternatives like shampoo bars and soap. These are not only lighter but also more eco-friendly. They last longer, take up less space, and you don't have to worry about liquid restrictions at the airport. Now, tech gear. This is another area where you can save space. One device can do it all. Your smartphone is a powerful tool. Use your smartphone as a camera, map, and guidebook. It's amazing how much you can do with just one device. And don't forget a compact portable charger to keep it juiced up. This ensures you're always connected and ready to capture memories. Need to carry a few extras? A lightweight, packable day pack is your best friend. It's perfect for carrying essentials like your passport, wallet, and a water bottle. Plus, it's incredibly convenient. It's perfect for carrying essentials like your passport, wallet, and a water bottle. You'll be surprised at how much you can fit in a small space. Plus, it folds up tiny when you don't need it. This makes it easy to store and carry around. Speaking of water, hydration is key. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're on the move. Invest in a collapsible water bottle. It's space-saving and eco-friendly. So what about laundry? Simple. This is often a concern for light travelers. Many places you stay offer laundry services, or you can pack a small, travel-friendly detergent and wash your clothes in the sink. It's easier than you think. Quick-dry fabrics are a game-changer here. They dry fast and are perfect for travel. Okay, let's talk shoes. Stick to one pair that's versatile, comfortable for walking but stylish enough for any occasion. Shoes can take up a lot of space, so choose wisely. If you must pack lightweight flip-flops for beach days or showers, these are light and don't take up much space. Here's a pro tip. Layer your clothes when you travel. This technique is not only practical but also efficient. Not only does this save space, but it also keeps you prepared for various weather conditions. You'll be ready for anything. And remember, the key to traveling light is embracing the minimalist mindset. This means being intentional about what you bring. Ask yourself, do I really need this? This question can help you make better packing decisions. If the answer's no, leave it behind. You'll find that you need less than you think. With these tips, you're set to take on the world with freedom and ease. Traveling light can transform your experience. Imagine, no more waiting at baggage claim, no more hauling heavy suitcases through crowded streets. You'll move with ease and confidence. Just you, ready for adventure. The world is your playground. So are you ready to ditch the luggage and travel light? This could be the start of a new way of exploring. Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and adventures. Your support means a lot. Stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring. There's so much out there waiting for you. Until next time, happy travels. May your journeys be light and your experiences rich.